Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix silent switch button not working on iPhone. So guys, first of all, clean the area around the button. So first of all, clean the area, and the next solution is check if the case obstructs the button movement. So guys, and then remove your case and try it. And the next solution is restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right to restart iPhone. So after restarting your iPhone, open the lock screen, and the next solution is update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. For this, open settings, tap on general, tap on software update. So guys, if you check for update, if you haven't updated your iPhone to the latest iOS version, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So after updating your iPhone, go back, and the next solution is reset your iPhone. So for the reset iPhone, tap on settings, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset, and then tap on reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. So guys, this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So then tap on reset all settings. So guys, sorry for the here are the some simple solutions to fix your iPhone silent switch not working issue. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.